When you joined the Get My Sanity Back challenge, you were probably feeling stressed, overwhelmed and exhausted. You might have been impatient with your kids and then feeling guilty about it and had no time for yourself. And maybe you felt a bit like this wilted plant because you'd forgotten to water yourself. Over the course of the challenge, I gave you a watering can each day, and all you had to do was to pour it over your pot, creating 5 minutes a day for yourself to release overwhelm, stress, procrastination and more. And the great news is that your plant has begun to thrive. But in order to keep your plant alive, you will need to continue the daily watering. So how are you going to keep the momentum up for daily tapping every day? If you'd like to receive regular watering cans into your email inbox for a year, so that all you have to do is remember to pour the water over the soil, then do join the Get My Sanity Back Club. Plants don't just need watering, and when it has never been repotted, there is only so far it can grow or thrive before it needs attention. Some of you have a tapping habit and want to take your parenting to the next level. Or you may be struggling in some areas of your parenting and are ready to commit to releasing the root causes so that your parenting can be joyful and relaxed and for you to have a great connection with your kids. For example, you may be committed to definitely not doing what your parents did, only to hear your mum's words coming out of your mouth. Or you may be having outbursts of anger towards your kids and then feel guilty about it. On the Get My Sanity Back Fast Track to Freedom programme, we will repot your plant into fertile soil in a location where there is an abundance of rain and sun so that you can naturally thrive. By gently and sensitively exploring your childhood experiences, you'll release negative emotions and limiting beliefs about yourself and your parenting, creating new possibilities for you and your children.